Don't know what it is that made us so indifferent. We're drifting in the dark. Can we do better? Wish I could rewind back to the start. Can we do better than this? Better. You got me high, then drop me low. You got something I can sip to let go. You got me high, then drop me low. You got something I can sip to let go. To let go.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Michalis FPV. Today we have an unboxing of a legend of the long range FPV drones from iFLIGHT, the Chimera 7 Pro V2 6S, upgraded with the new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro Air unit. This drone that really, I love it. I'm very curious to see how it will be the performance with this new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro, and with this beautiful drone that really I love it and I'm trusted when I'm flying long range. So let's start the unboxing and then we can see the characteristics that has. Let's open the box and we can see what we have inside. So we have two pairs of propellers here, as we see. We have here two antennas. We have the two battery pads. We have battery straps. We have some screws here. We have the Allen key with the screw of the action camera if you want to put a GoPro, or if you like to put another action camera. And here is the screws for the propellers. And what else we have? We have now the drone inside. Let's carefully remove it from the box. Before we go to the drone, we see what else we have here. So we have some stickers from iFLIGHT. Here is Declare and Safety Witness. They are in different languages. Here what we have here, safe fly and be responsible. Okay, some instructions for to have a safe flights and to be responsible when we fly. Here we have some characteristics with a Betafly. Here, as I see, is for the GPS rescue, and it's in Chinese, but here from the other side is in English, so very useful. Service card after sales. I don't know what is this. Anyway, it's not so important. So we have this beautiful drone. Let's close the box. Let's put here the drone. We have the design of dead cat. So the design of dead cat, if you don't know, that is not coming the propellers front of the camera. So it will be fantastic for more cinematic filming when you fly. And here we see from the front side the new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro Air unit. So with this new case to don't have vibrations, and usually we see here the side pads. I hear some complaints from some other YouTubers that they didn't design these side pads for the new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro Air unit. So there are some complaints, and especially here is not open because has to pass the air for the camera to don't be overheating. But anyway, we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how it will behave when it's flying. Very good construction as always, the Chimera 7 Pro V2. I have the version of the TBS Crossfire Diversity. So we have two antennas, one front as you see here, and one back that I can screw it here. So some other drones, they have it in the back, but this time I have it here. So we will see how it will be. The GPS, very different from the Cine LR7. As you see, the GPS here is outside, and the weight of this drone is 725 grams. The Cine LR7, it's 770 grams. So this one is lighter, 725 grams. So this is very good because we have a longer flight time. So we're gonna see how it's behave when we're gonna do the first flight test, and in the next video, of course. From the back side that I have my finger is the new air unit of the DJI, the 04 Pro, and from this point you can see where we can put the SD card, and also here where is the arrow, it's the button to connect the goggles with the air unit. And from the other side we can see the Type-C to activate the 04 Pro unit. Here we can put the action camera if we want. So it's very beautiful. I can feel it that this drone it's smaller from the Cine LR7, but really I love this combination that they did with this legend of the Long Range FPV Drones and with this new camera, the DJI 04 Pro. I tested with the new drone of the iFLIGHT, the Cine LR, and it's amazing. I don't have any complaints. So I hope also with this drone everything to be fine when I'm filming and to don't have any jello or vibrations. So the geometry, as I said, is the dead cat. That is mean that is more open, these two arms, to have more space and to don't come the propellers front of the camera. We have the flight controller, the Blitz F722. We have the motors, the Xin 22809 1250 kV motors. The propellers is the High-Q 7.5 per 3.7 per 3. Very big one, beautiful. This drone can arrive about 140 kilometers per hour, so it's very fast. The maximum takeoff altitude that you can have, it's around 3,200 meters. The maximum hover time, it's about 30 minutes if you use a Lion battery 8000 mAh. The operating temperature range is about below 10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. We have two antennas, as you see, for the video transmission, and we have in the back side the XT60 battery connector, and of course we have the M10 of the iFLIGHT GPS. So now with this kind of drones, the 7-inch, I use different kind of LiPo batteries, like 2200 mAh or 3000 mAh, and of course I have the biggest battery that is 5600 mAh. So we're gonna do this test to see the flight time that we have. From iFLIGHT, of course, they said that the best battery performance is around 3300 mAh, that you can have around 17 with 18 minutes of flight time. That is the unboxing, my friends, of the beautiful Chimera 7 Pro V2 with the new camera of the DJI, the 04 Pro Air unit. So I'm really very curious to see how is the performance when we're gonna do the first flight test. So that's why stay tuned till my next video, and to see how it's the quality, of course, of the camera, and if we have any jello or if we have any other kind of problems when we're gonna do the first flight with this beautiful drone that really I love it. And the only difference that I see from the Cine LR7, the new drone of the iFLIGHT, it's that is the weight. The weight here is lighter, so for sure we're gonna have a difference in the flight time performance. So that's it, the video, my friends. Take care yourselves, have a happy flights, always to be safe, and see you in my next video.